Hello English learners, let us learn when to use get on, get off and get in, get out whenever we are dealing with vehicles. So let's get started. Get on, get off is used with large vehicles where you can sit, stand and walk properly. Get large vehicles, large transport vehicles we are talking about. Get in, get out is used with small vehicles where you cannot stand, neither you can walk. You can only sit properly. For example, car. Please avoid my sketch here. It's really very bad. Okay. Let us understand with the help of these examples. Taxi. Taxi is a small vehicle because you can only sit. You cannot stand neither walk. So we will write get in a taxi, get out of a taxi. Next, a train. Train here is a large vehicle because you can sit, stand and walk properly. So we use get on a train and get off a train. Next, a car. Car is a small vehicle. You can only sit, neither you can stand nor walk. So we use get in a car, get out of a car. Next, horse. Horse is an exceptional case here. It's an animal. There's no door for a horse where you can open and get into it. So that is the reason we apply all the conditions of large vehicles, that is get on a horse and get off a horse. A cruise ship. A cruise ship, we all know, it's a very large vehicle which is used to transport goods, a large number of people. So as per rules, we write get on a cruise ship or get off a cruise ship. Okay. Next, a truck. See, a truck is a large vehicle, of course. Everybody understands this. But here we are talking about a person who is driving or who is sitting next to it. He can only sit, guys. He cannot stand or walk. So that is the reason we use get in a truck and get off a truck. Next is helicopter. Helicopter, you can only sit, you cannot stand or walk. So we use get in a helicopter or get out of helicopter. Next, camel. Camel is an animal again. It's an exceptional case like that of a fourth one. So we apply all the rules of large vehicles here. So we write get on a camel or get off a camel. Next, boat. Here, boat is a medium vehicle. It can be either big or it can be either small. It depends on the size. It can be yacht also, where you can sit, stand or walk properly. So that is the reason we use both. We use get on and get in a boat and get off or get out of a boat. Both. Next, ferry. Ferry is a large boat. It's a big, huge vehicle. So we apply all the rules of huge vehicle here. So we write get on a ferry and get off a ferry. We apply all the rules of large vehicle here. Okay. Next, a tractor. Tractor is considered to be a large vehicle where we are talking about the loading part where you can sit, stand and walk properly. So we write get on a tractor and get off a tractor. Last, ambulance here is considered to be a medium vehicle. So we apply both the rules here. Get on, get in and get off and get out of an ambulance. So if you have liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.